For me, Voith HyService stands for high quality and the implementation of the work we order. The good thing about Voith is that it's a customer-oriented company. In other words, Voith talks to you as the owner and says, "What can we do to make your life easy?" Voith comes in and they bridge the gaps. Voith HyService has many years of experience providing a specialised technical service and is a reliable and cooperative partner for hydropower plants. I hope we will continue to work together for the operation of our hydropower plant. The voice of the customers is what drives us. It's this wow that doesn't let us rest. Customer satisfaction is what will continue to make Voith Hydro's service the most reliable life-cycle partner for hydropower plants around the world. Our service, part of your business.